Assalamualaikum dear students. Today our topic is this linear equation in two variables, and we have discussed already two methods how to solve the system of equation in two variables. First is this graphical method. We have done it. Second is substitution method. And third one is elimination method. Now fourth one is the CMM cross multiplication. Method. These three, graphical method, substitution method and elimination method, we have already attempted these. Now the fourth one is cross multiplication method. In my last lesson, we learned how to apply this cross multiplication method. Now further, to make it clear, let us attempt to move to some more questions. Question number 1 is x plus y is equivalent to 5. Second is 2x minus 3y is equivalent to 4. Here is our equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Here a1 is equivalent to 1 and a2 is equivalent to 2. b1 is equal to 1. What is b2? It is minus 3 and c1 is equal to 5. c2 is equal to 4. a1 we know is a quotient of first x, that's 1, and a2 is a quotient of second x, that's 2. b1 is a quotient of first y, that's 1, and b2 is the quotient of second y, that's minus 3. c1 obviously is constant term of first equation, that is 5, and c2 here is 4. Now we know what is the criteria so that the equations have a unique solution is a1 by a2, this should not be equal to b1 by b2. Now here we see this a1 by a2 is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 3, so they are not equal. Obviously the system has a unique solution, so there is a unique solution, and when there is a unique solution we have to find it by applying this cross multiplication method. And you know the formula for this is x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equivalent to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equivalent minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is how it goes, very simple. So first of all, you will check whether the system has a unique solution. You will check whether a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If this happens, when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, obviously the system has a unique solution. And when there is a unique solution, you have to find by applying this cross multiplication method. And this is the formula for that. X divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here I go, x divided by b1, what is b1? It is 1, and c2 is 4, minus b2 is minus 3, into c1, what is c1? It is 5, is equal to y divided by c1 is 5, into a2 is 2, minus c2, what is c2 is here 4, and into a1 is 1, is equivalent to minus 1 divided by a1 is 1, a1 b2, what is b2? It is minus 3, minus a2 it is 2, into a1, what is a1? A1 is 1. Sorry, b1, what is b1? b1 is, yes, b1 is also 1. So here by 4 ones are 4, minus into minus is plus, 5 threes are 15, is equivalent y divided by 5 twos are 10, minus 4 ones are 4, is equivalent to minus 1 divided by minus 3 minus 2. So x divided by, we write here, x divided by 4 plus 15 is 19, is equivalent to y divided by 10 minus 4, it is 6, is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 5, minus and minus cancels, and we are left with x divided by 19 is equal to y divided by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 5. So x equates x divided by 19 is equal to 1 divided by 5. 5 into x is 5x is equal to 19. What is x? X is 19 divided by 5. Similarly, we are equating this y divided by 6. Y divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 5. Again, 5y is equal to 6. What is y? It is 6 divided by 5. This is how it goes. So this is very simple. You will first check whether a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2. If it is so, then you will apply this x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. X divided by b1, what is b1? It is 1. And what is c2? It is 4 minus b2, b2 is minus 3. Into c1 is obviously 5 is equal to y divided by c1 is 5 into a2 is 2 minus c2 it is 4 c2 a1, what is a1? A1 is 1 is equal to minus 1 divided by 1, sorry, a1 is 1 into b2 is minus 3 minus a2 is 2 into b1 is 1. So solving this further, this is x divided by 4 ones are 4, minus into minus is plus, 3 5s are 15, is equal to y divided by 5 twos are 10, minus 4 ones are 4, minus 1 divided by 3 ones are minus 3 and 2 ones are minus 2. That is it. So x divided by 19, 4 plus 15 is 19, is equal to y divided by 10 minus 4 is 6, is equivalent to minus 1, minus 10 minus 2 is minus 5. So x divided by 19, you are equating this to this, also you will equate y divided by 6 to 1 by 5. So we are equating this x quantity to 1 by 5 and y to this 1 by 5. So this is how it goes. So this by cross 6 into x is 6x, 6 x divided by 19 is equal to 1 by 5, 5 into x is 5x, 19 ones are 19, x is 90 by 5. Similarly, y divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 5. So 5y is equal to 6, obviously y is equal to 6 by 5. So this was our question number 1. Similarly, proceeding, you can try all these questions at your places. It's very simple, but very important. These questions are of examination point of view. Second question is 3x plus 4y is equivalent to 10, and second equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So let's try it. Here a1 is equal to 3, what is a2 is 2, b1 is equal to 4 and b2 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to 10. What is c2? It is 2. Obviously a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2, because a1 by a2 is 3 by 2 and b1 by b2 is 4 by minus 2. So they are not equal, so obviously the system has a unique solution. So equations have a unique solution. So x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equivalent to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is equal to x divided by, what is b1? b1 is 4 into into C2, C2 is 2, minus B2, B2 is minus 2, into C1, what is C1? It is 10, is equal to y divided by C1, C1 is 10, into A2, A2 is 2, minus C2, C2 is 2, into A1, A1 is 3, is equal to minus 1 divided by A1, A1 is 3, A1 into B2, B2 is minus 2, minus A2, A2 is 2, into B1, B1 is 4. So this is x divided by 4 2s are 8, minus into minus is plus, 10 2s are 20, is equal to y divided by 10 2s are 20 minus 3 2s are 6, is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 2s are minus 6 minus 8. So it's very simple. X divided by 8 plus 20, this is 28, is equal to y divided by 20 minus 6 is 14, is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. Minus and minus will get cancelled. We are left with x divided by 28 is equivalent, y divided by 14 is equivalent further, 1 divided by 14. So again we are equating this to this. So x divided by 28 is equal to 1 divided by 14. So similarly this y divided by 14 is equal to 1 divided by 14. By cross, 14 into x is 14x is equal to 28. What is x? It is 28 divided by 14. 14 1s are, 14 2s are, so x is equal to 2. This is our x, and what is y? 14 into y is 14. Y is equal to 14 into 1 is 14. What is y? It is 14 divided by 14. 1s are, so y is equal to 1. So this is very simple. Once you are able to apply this formula, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and I think this gets simpler to solve. Now let's attempt one more question so that things will get clear. Now one more question is like this: x divided by 2 plus 2y divided by 3 is equal to minus 1. Second equation is like this: x minus 3, y divided by 3 is equal to 3. So let us bring them first in the standard form, that is the linear equation, for which 3 into x is 3x plus 2 2s are 4y, this is 4y divided by 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 1. Solving further, this is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 1s are minus 6, this is equation number 1. Similarly, solving this, 3 into x is 3x minus y divided by 3 is equal to 3. Again, 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is our equation number 2. Again let's try. What is a1? a1 is 3 and a2 is also 3. b1, this is 4. What is b2? It is minus 1. And what is c1 is minus 6. C2 is 9. Obviously, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, therefore the system has a unique solution. Here, a1 by a2 is not equivalent to b1 by b2, therefore the system has a unique solution. Let's find it. X divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equivalent to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 b1. This is cross multiplication method. This further x divided by b1. What is b1? It is 4 into b1 into c2 is 9 minus b2. What is b2? b2 is minus 1 into c1 is minus 6 is equivalent y divided by c1. c1 is minus 6 into a2 is 3. a2 is 3 minus c2 is 9 into a1 is also 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by a1. a1 is 3 into b2. b2 is minus 1 minus a2. a2 is again 3. What is b1? b1 is 4. So let's solve it further. X divided by 4 9s are 36 is equivalent. 4 9s are 36 minus into minus is plus into minus again minus. 6 1s are 6. So y divided by 6 3s are minus 18 minus 9 3s are 27 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 1s are minus 3, 3 4s are 12 minus 12. So x divided by 30, 36 minus 6 is 30 is equal to y divided by 45 minus 45 minus 1 divided by minus 15 minus and minus will get cancelled. So we are equating again x divided by 30 to this 1 by 15. Similarly, we are equating this y divided by minus 45 to this 1 by 15. So by cross 15x is equal to 30 1s are 30. What is x? This is 30 divided by 15. 15 1s are 30, 2s are. So x is equivalent to 2. Similarly, 15y is equal to 45 1s are minus 45. What is y? Y is minus 45 divided by 15. 15 1s are 15 3s are. So y is equal to minus 3. This is how it goes. Very simple. So inshallah tomorrow we shall discuss further questions of this exercise. Till then,